Star again? Will you tell me who the trains are?
Oh, can you tell me who this is? Who is it? Okay.
Mommy?
Yeah?
Oh, it's a birthday, Mommy. Mommy. Ow.
Boy, who is that?
Thomas, train.
Thomas.
James, Toby, Tommy.
Good job.
James, Toby, Tommy. Toby, James, Tommy. James, Toby, Tommy. Toby, Tommy, then Toby.
And Rosie.
Huh?
I don't think we don't have Rosie.
Oh no, then more Tommy. Then Tommy. House. House?
Their house.
Right. Right.
Right. I think it's night-night time.
No, then.
Yeah, I think it's night-night time.
Buddy, James, Buddy. No, I know.
Can you say night-night to Daddy?
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Daddy.
Can you say goodnight, Mimi?
I love you.
Say I love you.
I love you, Daddy.
Say I love you, Mimi.
I love you, Mimi. I love you, Mimi.